Wagwan YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to replace our Sunvisor. I'm going to take this from one car and put it into another car, but the car that I'm putting it in does not bring lights, so it doesn't matter. And you want to take out these three screws, and they seems to be T20 torque. So just go ahead and take that out. So the next step we're gonna do now is take the third one out, and then after that it's gonna want to come down. So the next thing we're gonna do now is just try to open it, unhook it from over here, and then we're gonna try to unhook this, and the plug is behind it, so you gotta pull on this a little bit to get to the plug to unplug it. So I had to look back there to see what kind of plug you take. Alright, so now we got it down. So this part lock onto a clip back here. So we just have to lift this up a little bit and take it out just like that. And then we're gonna put it in another car right there. Which doesn't have lights. It doesn't have the vanity light. So all I have to do is just push this up in there. So once you push it up, you just want to get this, hook it over there, and catch your screws up. So guys, I know it's probably going to be a little dark, but bear with me. Just make sure you line up all three screws before you tighten up anything. So now we have our three screws in, we can tighten them up. So I'm going to check it to make sure it works. And guys, please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. That's how you change your sun visor. And next we're going to upgrade our radio from this one to a bigger screen. So let's get started on that one.